Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Trust Wallet and unlock using your PIN, Face ID, or biometric method. This prevents accidental exposure of private keys. Verify your account uses the 12-word recovery phrase you control, and never share that phrase or any private key with a Dapp. Check you have native chain balance to pay gas fees before connecting, for example 0.01 ETH on Ethereum or 0.005 BNB on BSC, because signing transactions without gas will fail and waste time. From the Decentralized app, tap Connect and choose Wallet Connect, or open the Dapp URL in Trust Wallet's built-in dApp browser if available. If the Dapp displays a QR code, select Wallet Connect in Trust Wallet and scan the QR code to initiate a secure session. When Trust Wallet prompts you, select the specific account to share with the Dapp. If you hold multiple addresses, choose the one with the intended tokens. Confirm the connection request details before approving to avoid accidental exposure. After connecting, always review the Dapp's requested permissions and the exact contract address in the transaction preview. Do not approve vague or unlimited token approvals. Adjust gas price and gas limit if needed to control cost and speed, then confirm only the single intended action. When you finish, disconnect the Wallet Connect session from Trust Wallet and revoke any token approvals using the wallet settings or a block explorer to remove lingering permissions and reduce exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.